trying to decide which cryptocurrencies to purchase and when. You might come across a candlestick chart, a unique kind of price graph, when researching crypto assets. So it's good to take a little time to learn how these work. In today's video, we will try to have a basic idea about the candlestick chart in simple language. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. So watch this video till the end and hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So let's begin the video. What are candlestick charts? The open is at the bottom of the body and the close is at the top because green candles indicate rising prices. The open is at the top of the body and the close is at the bottom because red candles indicate dropping pricing. The wicks in the body make up each candle. The open and close prices for the candle's time period are displayed in the candle's body. The wicks are the lines that extend from the body's top and bottom. The asset's highest and lowest prices during the trading frame are represented by these. What do candlesticks tell us? More than just price change over time, candlesticks can reveal a lot more. In order to assess market mood and determine where the market might be headed next, seasoned traders seek for patterns. Here are some examples of the kinds of things people seek. A long wick on the bottom of a candle may indicate that traders are investing in an asset as prices decline, which may be a reliable sign that the asset is headed upward. A long wick at the peak of a candle may indicate that traders are trying to take profits, which could portend a significant potential sell-off in the near term. If the candle's body fills practically the entire space, with very short wicks, or none at all, on either side, that can signify a very bullish, on a green candle, or bearish, on a bearish candle, sentiment, on a red candle. One component of a trading method known as technical analysis, in which investors try to utilize past price movements to predict patterns and potential future opportunities, is understanding what candlesticks might indicate in the context of a specific asset or within specific market conditions.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.